Hello children, welcome to my channel Calculus. In this session we will study 4th standard CBSE Mathematics. Before going to that, let me introduce myself. I am Simi Aran. Our first chapter is Building with Bricks. We will start our lesson Building with Bricks. What is a building and what is a brick? You all know, you all are saying small building, big building, or house is a building, hospital is a building, school is a building. And what is a building? Yes, a structure with a roof and wall. So in your textbook it describes with Jagrati School. It is a true story and describes with Jagrati School build up of brick patterns. In that textbook you can see so many designs of brick patterns. You can also draw so many patterns. In the textbook, that patterns, some are circles, some are squares, some are rectangles, etc. So you all studied early classes some shapes. What are the shapes you studied? Yes, triangle, rectangle, square, circle. Is it? Then triangle. Triangle is the smallest polygon. What do you mean by polygon? Polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. A simple closed curve made up of line segments is called a polygon. And what do you mean by a simple closed curve? Simple closed curve means that it does not cross itself. So, a simple closed curve made up of line segments is called a triangle. Tri means 3. So, triangle in this shape. So 1, 2, 3. 3 line segments are there. Then if you have 2 line segments in this way, it is not closed and not form a polygon. So the smallest polygon is a triangle, and triangle has 3 sides. Then what about 4 sides? 4-sided quadrilateral. 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. That is a rectangle and a square. Then so many quadrilaterals are there, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, etc. that you study detail in higher classes. Now you only study rectangle and square. So rectangle, what is the specialty of a rectangle? Rectangle is 4-sided polygon and opposite sides are equal. This side and this side are equal, this and this side are equal, and it is a rectangle. Then a square. What is the specialty of a square? A square has 4 sides and 4 sides are equal, and 4 sides are equal. That quadrilateral is called square. Then 5-sided polygon. What is a 5-sided polygon? 5-sided polygon is called pentagon. 6-sided polygon is called hexagon. Then 7-sided polygon is called heptagon or septagon. Both are correct. Then 8-sided polygon is called octagon. Then 9-sided polygon is called nonagon. 10-sided polygon is called decagon. Okay, so 3-sided polygon is the smallest polygon and it is called triangle. 4-sided quadrilateral, we study rectangle and square. 5-sided pentagon, 6-sided hexagon, 7-sided heptagon or septagon, 8-sided octagon, 9-sided nonagon and 10-sided decagon. Okay, then in this chapter we discuss with the bricks. Brick, you all know the brick. Brick shape you all know. Then I draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. And from here, this length I draw. And this length here draw. Then this length and joining this length. Then joining these dots. These 2 dots and here and here. Now I get a shape of a brick. This is a shape of a brick. This is a shape of a brick. Then this shape we call 3D shapes. 3D shapes means length, breadth and height. This is the length and this is the breadth and this is the height. So a shape which has length, breadth and height, 3 dimensions, 3 measures are called 3D shapes. Then 2D shapes means length and breadth only. So rectangle is a 2D shape. Square is a 2D shape. But this shape, brick shape is a 3D shape. And this shape of this brick is called cuboid. Cuboid. This is a cuboid. That is, brick is a shape of cuboid. Brick is a shape of cuboid. It's a box, and this is also a cuboid. This is also a cuboid. This has a flat surface. Here also flat. Here flat. Here flat. And these are flat. So this flat surface we called face. Face. Face means flat surface. This flat surface we call face. This flat surface we called face. Then how many faces? These faces are in which shape? Rectangle shape. So this is a face and this is a face. Then here a face, here a face. Here a face, here a face. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? 6 faces. So a cuboid has 6 faces. Then next, this face and this face, the meeting line is this. That is, this meeting line is called edge. This face and this face we take, this is the meeting line. And this face we take, this is the meeting line. So the meeting line of 2 faces is called an edge. The meeting line of 2 faces. Meeting line. The meeting line of 2 faces. The meeting line of 2 faces is called an edge. So we can count the edge of this cuboid. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. These edges we already count earlier. So here a cuboid 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom also 4, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges? 12 edges. The next, vertex. Vertex means corner. So this is an edge, this is an edge, this is an edge. So these 3 edges meeting this point. That point is called vertex, that is the corner. So plural form of vertex is vertices. So the meeting point of 2 or more edges is called a vertex. Meeting point. The meeting point of 2 or more edges. 2 or more edges is called a vertex. Then how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cuboid has how many vertices? 8 vertices. 8 vertices. So a brick is a shape of a cuboid. That is, the shape of a brick is cuboid. Cuboidal shape, and its faces all are in rectangle shape. So this is a 3D shape, and cuboid has how many faces? 6 faces. How many edges? 12 edges. How many vertices? 8 vertices. In your textbook it explains with bricks and brick patterns. So many patterns are there that are shapes of triangle, rectangle, square, etc. And this shape brick, we all know what is a brick, and the shape of brick is a 3D shape, means length, breadth and height also there. So once more, brick is in this shape, that is the shape of a brick is cuboid, and all these faces are in which shape? Rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Faces are in rectangle shape. Rectangle is a 2D figure. It has only length and breadth. But cuboid has length, breadth and height. So it is a 3D figure. 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. So it is a shape of a brick. That is a cuboid. This shape is called, that is the brick is the shape of cuboid. Or this cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Then what is a face? The flat surface is called face, and the meeting line of 2 faces is called an edge, and the meeting point of 2 or more edges is called a vertex. Let us revise. A polygon, that is a simple closed curve made up of line segments, is called a polygon. Smallest polygon is triangle, and we know the triangle has 3 sides. And next, a 4-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. Then here we study rectangle and square. Both have 4-sided. Then rectangle opposite sides are equal. Then in a square all the sides are equal. Then 5-sided polygon we call pentagon. 6-sided polygon hexagon. 7-sided polygon heptagon or septagon. Then 8-sided polygon octagon. 9-sided nonagon and 10-sided decagon. Then the shape of a brick is cuboid. Then cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The flat surface is called face, and the meeting line of 2 faces is called edge. The meeting point of 2 or more edges is called vertex. The plural form of vertex is vertices. Then I hope you understood all these concepts. Is it? Then the next class we will do more problems. That is, besides this, we will study that number name, writing number name, how to write the number name, how to write a numeral, then place value chart, that up to 6 digits. That is, last year you studied only up to thousands place. This year you study 1000 after 10,000 and lakh. That is 6 digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 6-digit number. Then place value chart, writing number name, writing the numeral, then place value, face value, standard form, expanded form, then greatest and smallest number. The digits are given. You have to write the greatest and smallest number. That you study the next class. Then I hope today you understood all these concepts. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay. Then if you have any doubt, you mention it in comments. Okay. Thank you. Bye.